Good afternoon, Hasna. I'm Zahra.
Good afternoon, Zahra.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
That's wonderful. Okay. Let's start with your background. Could you tell me about your education and organizational experience?
Certainly, I graduated a bachelor degree in informatics engineering from STT Nurul Fikri. During my studies, I served as the secretary of the student association, where I manage documentation, coordinate meetings, and improve communication between members. This role helped me develop strong organizational and teamwork skills.
That's impressive. Did your academic project involve data analysis?
Yes, my thesis focused on predictive analytics using Python and SQL. I also work on a group project analyzing customers' behavior dataset with Tableau, which improved my skill in data visualization and statistical modeling.
Okay, how did you discover this data analyst role at PT Swarpo International?
I came across the job posting on LinkedIn while searching for entry-level data analyst position. The description highlights requirements like SQL, Python, and data visualization skills I've honed through my projects. I was particularly drawn to Swepro focus on retail analytics, which aligns with my interest to customer data.
What makes PT Swarpo International stand out to you?
Swiper reputation for leveraging data to drive business decisions is what attracted me. I read about your work in optimized supply chains using machine learning, and I admire how the company bridges technical insight with the real-world application.
Okay, what would you say is your greatest strength as a data analyst?
My analytical problem-solving ability, for example, in my thesis, I identified a 15% discrepancy in a dataset by writing custom SQL queries to clean and validate the data. I enjoy turning messy data into actionable insight, a skill I believe is crucial for this role.
Okay, can you share a time when you faced a challenge in the project and how you handle it?
During a group project, our Python script for data scraping failed due to website structure change. Instead of giving up, I proposed with switching to APIs, researched the documentation, and led the team to rebuild the pipeline. We delivered the project on time, and I learned the importance of adaptability.
Hey, what's an area you're working to improve?
I sometimes spend too much time perfecting visualization. While attention to detail is good, I've learned to balance quality with efficiency by setting time limits and using templates for recurring reports.
Okay, where do you envision your career in 5 years?
In 5 years, I as a lead data analyst, mentoring juniors and contributing to strategic decisions. I plan to deepen my expertise in machine learning, possibility pursue certification in AI to support Pro's innovation goals.
Okay, do you have any question about Swapper or the role?
Yes, could you share more about the tools and technologies the data team currently uses? Also, how does the company measure success for this role?
Great question. Currently, our data team uses Python for analytics, SQL for database management, and Power BI for visualization. We're also adopting machine learning tools like scikit-learn for predictive modeling. As for success metrics, we evaluate based on three key areas: accuracy of insight delivered, the target was 95%, project turnaround time within agreed delays, and business impact like how your analysis contribute to cost savings or revenue growth. For example, last quarter, our team's inventory optimization analysis reduced waste by 12%.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Okay, that's enough for today, Hasna. Thank you for coming. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you. Welcome, Zahra. I'm Hasna. Have a seat.
Thank you, Miss Hasna.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Oh, that's good to hear. Okay, Zahra, let's start with you telling me a bit about yourself.
Certainly, I'm Zahra. I recently graduated from STNO Fikri with a bachelor degree in informatics engineering. During my studies, I was deeply involved in project work, constantly taking on the role of team leader. I'm passionate about creating efficient and user-friendly applications. Beyond academics, I actively participated in organizational activities, serving as a member of student representative council, or we call it Dewan Perwakilan Mahasiswa, and as a secretary for the informatic engineering program.
Oh, that's impressive, Zahra. It sounds like you have a strong leadership and organizational skills. Now, what specifically interests you about this full stack developer position at Auto Digital?
This full stack developer role at Auto Digital really excites me because it aligns perfectly with my skill set and career aspiration. Throughout my studies and personal projects, I've gained proficiency in a range of technologies essential for this role, including front-end development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, back-end development using Node.js and Python with frameworks such as Express and Django, database management with SQL and NoSQL databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB, and experience with version control system like Git. I'm eager to apply and further develop these skills in a dynamic and innovative environment like Auto Digital.
Okay, what specifically attracted you to Auto Digital as a company?
Auto Digital's reputation for innovation in digital space and its commitment to creating impactful solutions really attract me. I've been following your work and I'm impressed by the company's forward-thinking approach and the positive impact it has. I believe my passion for technology and problem-solving aligns well with Auto Digital's mission.
That's wonderful to hear. Now, let's talk about your strengths. What do you consider your greatest strength?
I believe my greatest strength is my proactive approach to problem solving combined with my leadership abilities in the project settings. I actively seek out the solution and take the initiative to implement them. My experience as a consistent team leader has honed my ability to motivate team members, delegate effectively, and ensure projects stay on track to achieve our goals.
Oh, that's a valuable strength for a developer and a team player. Can you also share a time when you suffered a setback and how you deal with it?
During one of my projects, we faced a significant setback when a critical library we were relying on suddenly became deprecated, requiring us to rewrite a substantial portion of our code on a tight deadline. Initially, the team felt discouraged. However, I took the initiative to research alternative solutions, broke down the problem into smaller, manageable tasks, and facilitated clear communication within the team. We work collaboratively, leveraging each other's strengths, and ultimately, we managed to deliver the project successfully, albeit with a valuable lesson in adaptability and resilience.
Let's demonstrate good problem solving and adaptability. Now, thinking about area for growth, what do you consider your greatest weakness?
While I'm generally comfortable with a wide range of technology, I recognize that the tech landscape is constantly evolving. Therefore, I sometimes find myself wanting to dive deep into learning every new framework or library that emerges. I've realized that this can sometimes spread my focus too thin. To address this, I'm actively working on prioritizing my learning based on project needs and industry trends, ensuring I focus on developing expertise in the most relevant areas.
That's good self awareness. Looking ahead, Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I envision myself as a highly proficient and valuable full stack developer, contributing significantly to impactful projects and constantly taking on more leadership responsibilities within a development team. I aim to continuously expand my technical expertise, stay abreast of the latest industry advancements, and become a mentor to junior developers, contributing to the growth and successful of AutoDigital.
Now, Zara, do you have any question from me about Auto Digital or this position?
Yes, I do. I'm curious about the team structure within the full stack development department. Could you tell me more about how the teams are organized and how different roles collaborate on projects?
That's a great question, Zahra. We typically work in small, agile teams organized around projects with front end, back end, and product role collaborating closely. For example, a team working on user onboarding will have a front end developer, Node.js, back end developers, and a product owner, all working together with regular communication. Does that clarify things?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Zahra, for coming. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you, Miss Hasna.